Our SDG was number 13, climate action. Climate change is an abnormal variation to the climate and how these variations affect other parts of the world. Various effects of these significant changes in the climate include severe natural disasters, the melting of icebergs, global rainfall, and many more detrimental results. Many of the recent hurricanes that severely damaged America's east coast have been caused by the warming of ocean waters, ultimately forming a large dangerous storm. Human activities are changing the natural greenhouse gases over the last century. Such causes include the burning of fossil fuels, which has increased the carbon concentration in the atmosphere, ultimately raising the global climate.
There are 5 targets associated with this SDG, but we think that the two most important SDGs are 13.1 and 13.2. 13.1 focuses on strengthening resilience and adaptive capacity, while 13.2 focuses on integrating climate change into national policies. When researching each of these topics, we found that integrating climate change measures into national policies, strategies, and planning is the most important target and should be prioritized. If national policies related to climate change are graved in the minds of citizens, people will begin to follow others and become more conscious of how they contribute to climate change. The 3 major partners we researched regarding global climate action was the Global Commission for Adaptation, which is a major partner who is building climate resilience, which can yield economic, social, and environmental benefits. The International Council for Local Environmental Initiatives, which is a global network of local governments dedicated to sustainability, resilience, and climate action. And lastly, the C40 cities, which are a network of the world's megacities committed to addressing climate change. C40 supports cities to collaborate effectively, share knowledge, and drive meaningful, measurable, and sustainable action on climate change. All in all, there are many partners who are currently working to impact climate change by spreading awareness, building resilience, and directly creating more sustainability in our society.
Even though many people are trying to change their ways of living to help the climate, there is still work to be done. People need to get up and take action because global warming is a dangerous subject. Even starting small could help the climate, such as reducing food waste, limiting your individual air travel, using less energy in your home, and planting more. Many people feel that their individual steps to help the environment won't really impact it, but if everyone took their one steps, then the world would change for the better.
Although few individuals such as Greta Thunberg have been taking a strong stance on climate change, more can be done. Greta Thunberg is a 16-year-old girl that is fighting for significant change in climate and has inspired many children to protest during schools on Friday. She recently attended the UN meeting in New York City with many world leaders attending. There are many easy ways that high schoolers can contribute to helping climate change, such as using reusable water bottles, turning off the lights when necessary, and bringing reusable bags to grocery stores. Furthermore, people have begun to use electric cars like Tesla to decrease CO2 in the environment. More people are using solar panels, which prevents the burning of fossil fuels for energy. Although this is an extreme global issue, we as 10th graders can take little steps to make a huge difference in our world.